Hello to all lovely people. I hope you all doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for watching our videos and liking it. Guys, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's continue our previous topic. So, our topic is 300 and action verb in English sentence. Action verb for beginners, daily sentence. So, guys, are you ready? Let's get started. Here we go. Before watch this video and start this topic, I wanna say something. Guys, do not forget to share this link to your loved ones. Do not forget to like my videos, okay? So, let's get started. Today's first sentence is I am texting someone. I am shopping. I am reading news. I am checking emails. I am skating. I am skiing. I am hiking. I am fishing. I am hunting. I am flying a kite. I am fixing a car. I am washing a car. I am refueling a car. I am driving. I am traveling abroad. I am visiting a museum. Learn with Sayed Academy, the best and ever best channel for free education. I am shopping goods. I am seeing the doctor. I am packing luggage. I am booking a hotel. I am eating pizza. I am frying eggs. I am drinking coffee. I am baking cookies. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos and liking it. Kindly do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and liking my videos. And kindly share with your loved ones. Do support this channel as much as you can.